Welcome to the Practice Better client portal. In this video, I will show you how you can easily request to book a service or a package with your practitioner in Practice Better. You can request a session by clicking on the red Fast Action button in the bottom right-hand corner and selecting Request a Session. Or you can click on Request a Session from your dashboard. If you've already purchased a package with your practitioner, you will be prompted to use a session from your package, or you can book another service. If you're booking from a package, select the package and then pick the specific service that you would like from the options on the pop-up window. Once you've made your booking, it will appear as a pending booking under My Resources, Bookings. Once confirmed by your practitioner, it will show the booking details, which you can view by selecting View Details. We hope you found this helpful. Please check out our Help Center for more information and resources.